Ethan didn't realize how exposed his small business was until a minor system glitch turned into a real scare. Customer data at risk, strange login attempts, and no clear idea where the threat was coming from. That's when he started searching for a cybersecurity expert in Calgary and found 403 Tech Inc. Their team ran a full security check, blocked vulnerabilities, and set up real-time threat monitoring. They explained everything in simple language and fixed issues without slowing his business down. From advanced protection to cloud security and proactive monitoring, Ethan finally felt in control again. What stood out was their fast response and genuine commitment to keeping businesses safe. Today, Ethan focuses on growing his company while 403 Tech Inc. shields his data around the clock. For any business that can't risk a security breach, they're the trusted partner to rely on. Call 403-215-7506 or check out www.403tech.com to book a service.